Every Day I'm Hustling is basically about my life lessons in 5 parts. To let you all know that I've been through a lot of challenges in life, and that I've learned to pick myself up. And I say in my book that, you know, I'm glad you're here because I want you to get out of your own way and to take some of my knowledge, know that it can be street but sweet, and every once in a while I take you to church.
Yep. I was going to ask you about that. I like how you describe your writing style, street but sweet.
Absolutely.
And you said the Lord loves a scrappy girl.
The Lord loves a scrappy girl, because trust me. Woo! You know, being in the business that I'm in, you really have to develop, you know, thick skin and figure out new chapters for yourself and know that it's okay, that change is good in life, that you can go to each chapter gracefully. But you just have to know, like my daddy said, when to put a period on that chapter and turn the page.
Right.
Okay?